everybody, it's Carey Mitchell from Yellow Dog Real Estate. I'm standing outside of 1097 10th Avenue in the Friendly Acres neighborhood of Redwood City. This home has a 10,964 square foot huge lot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, complete with an ADU with a full bath and a full kitchen. I think you're gonna love it. Beautiful gardens, lots of features inside. Come on, see what you think. I hope you love this house. If you want more information, please log on to the website 1097 10th Avenue, TENTHavenue.com, or call me 650-868-5779. Thanks for coming by. Have a great day.